Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and if you're into Hug Twirl, and today we got a nice giveaway going on by Pappy Watch Face. Now we got 2 watch faces. That means we're going to give you another bonus, a double dose, and we're going to give away 1 watch face each. So don't worry if you don't win one, we got more of that PW to give away, so just hang on in there. And with that being said, let's kick off this review. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another Triple Play Saturday. This one here is round 2. Now the name of the watch face is called PW52 Gear Sport. This one here is nice. Now in the always on mode, you're going to get your digital time and you will be able to see your step status and info at a glance. But when the watch face is turned on, I'm telling you, I like the uniqueness of this watch face. First off, if you look at the time, very unique, very different font. I'm liking that. If you look directly up at the top, you're going to get your heart rate info. Over here, you get your goal completed. You also have shortcuts here, and they are inactive. He always give you enough, plus the kitchen sink. PW always gets down. And you got your step here. And you also got your calories burned. If you look right down at the bottom, you're going to get your miles walked or ran. And over here, you're going to get your battery info. I like the design of this watch face. Very different, very unique, and it does stand out. If I double tap right here, I can customize the colors. I thought this was pretty nice. Got several nice looking colors to be exact. Just cycle through all of them till you get to the one you like. It's got quite a few to choose from. I thought PW got out on this one. All right, you all, make sure you check this one out in the Gear Manager store. And don't go anywhere. I got a bonus watch face for you coming right up. Okay, you all, here it is. Bonus watch face number 2 by Pappy. This one here is called PW53 Gear Sport. Now, in the always on mode, you're going to get your digital time. Again, you're going to get all your step status info, which is pretty cool at a glance. And when the watch face is on, I do like the layout of this. I get all my step info at the top. Right up under, I get my shortcuts, which I thought was pretty cool. You come down, you're going to get your day and your date. Also, you're going to get your digital time. You also get where you can set an alarm. Got your calendar right there. Got goal completed, what day of the year it is already, how many weeks we've already been through, and your battery percentage right over there. And then right down at the bottom, information on how many miles you have walked or ran. I thought this was a real good look. I'm going to double tap here. I can customize the color of this watch face. Thought this was pretty cool. I'm telling you guys, you got to check this watch face out in the Gear Manager store. All right, you all, that's going to be it for round 2. Hope you enjoyed it. Hit me in the comment section down below. Make sure you comment. Remember, this is a giveaway. All right, you all, if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.